Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. This is going to be just a really quick one. It's just a bit of a caution, be careful, bit of a check. Now obviously these brand new injectors, we unpack them and check them before we repack them a lot better than they were when they came from Japan. That's why we like to check them, make sure the solenoids aren't broken. But there's a really important part. I suppose it's not that important, we've never had an issue, but what I'd like to point out is something that could be an issue and something that I'd like you to check if you buy the injector kit off us, or even if, I don't care where you buy your injectors really, it's up to you whether you do that. Make sure you get brand new, genuine, fresh stock. But look, they come with the seating washer in the bag, okay? So that's cool. You know, there they all are, they're all there, they're not going to go anywhere, right? But the one thing they've all got in common, they're all next to a steel injector, right? So what can happen, you know, banging around a bit, that metal can hit that seat, and the copper is just soft and pliable. That's why it's a gasket, nice and soft, which is all good. But that seat could get damaged. Now, we don't know of any damage that's caused any issues or whatever, but we're just saying be cautious with those, to check them when on installation before you go to install them. Try not to open these before you need to, because it's obviously all sealed from moisture and contamination, right? So you don't open the bags till you got it all clean, ready to go, then you open it up. And look, all that's in our videos in the VIP group on Facebook, showing you how to do the job for those people that have decided to do that. But the point of this video is check these seats in case the injectors have been banged around and this metal part's hit the copper and put a really large indent into the seating surface, which I don't think is going to be an issue anyway, because they're so soft and pliable, it's just going to squash and seal that up anyway. But it is a risk, and it's a really big job you want to get done right the first time, so it's worth a check. So once you get your parts out, have a look at these seats, make sure they look okay. You can even have a quick check them in the bag in preparation. If you think you've got a problem and you've still got some time up your sleeve, let me know and I can send you, look, normally we don't send small parts, I've said that already, we don't send, you know, small bits and pieces type thing, but in this case it's a customer service thing, so we can do that if you need us to, or you can just pop down to your local Toyota dealer. They're about, I think list price is about $6 each, so it's not a big deal, and it's not like you're going to need a set. You're lucky if you find if one damage you're just going to say I need one of those, and that's all I'm saying is if you've got a dealer close, and it's probably not going to happen anyway. I'm happy to send you one, whatever. Just wanted to let you know the main important information is please check them. There was one gentleman recently, I just did a video on it not long ago, but I thought we'll do a separate one just to tell you about this, about those little suckers. Basically, please check them, because you wouldn't want to go through the whole job, have a big divot mark through there and not see it, and then, you know, have problems later and have blow by, because that is a big issue if you do. So that's it, guys. I told you it was going to be a short one. There you go, a bit over 3 minutes. If you haven't already subscribed, there's heaps more important information coming your way. Thanks for watching. See ya.